Having a Ring camera constantly displaying a low battery warning can be frustrating. The issue often stems from a few key culprits: software glitches, inaccurate battery readings, or even hardware problems. Recent firmware updates from Ring aim to fix this, but older cameras may still be affected. We'll explore the most common causes and how to troubleshoot them. Ring cameras use two main types of batteries: standard AA lithium batteries or rechargeable lithium-ion battery packs. These provide the power needed for continuous operation and wireless connectivity. The camera continuously monitors the battery's voltage level. When the voltage drops below a critical threshold of approximately 20 to 30%, it triggers the low battery warning to alert users that replacement or charging is needed. Battery chemistry plays a key role in performance. Lithium-ion batteries can experience the memory effect, where repeated partial discharges cause the battery to inaccurately report its remaining capacity, leading to premature warnings. Environmental factors significantly impact battery performance. Extreme temperatures, whether very cold or very hot, can alter the battery's voltage output and capacity, potentially causing false low battery readings or reducing overall battery life. Let's try some simple solutions first. Start by removing the batteries or unplugging the camera for about 30 seconds. Clean the battery contacts with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion. Reinsert the batteries or plug the camera back in. Finally, try restarting your Ring camera through the Ring app by navigating to Device Health and selecting Restart Device. Ensure your Ring camera has the latest firmware. Outdated software can cause inaccurate battery readings. Check for updates within the Ring app. Ring's app now has an automated battery health check feature, which can recalibrate your battery and improve accuracy. Running this every 6 months can prevent false warnings. When basic troubleshooting steps like battery replacement and app resets fail to resolve the persistent low battery warning, it's time to consider a factory reset. This process restores your Ring camera to its original factory settings, which can clear software glitches that might be causing the false alarm. However, remember that a factory reset will erase all your custom settings, including Wi-Fi connections, motion detection preferences, and any personalized configurations. If possible, back up your settings through the Ring app before proceeding. If the factory reset doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be hardware-related, such as a faulty battery sensor or internal component failure. In this case, don't attempt to disassemble the camera yourself, as this could void your warranty. Instead, contact Ring customer support directly through their app or website. Provide details about your troubleshooting attempts and camera model. Your device may still be under warranty, making it eligible for a free replacement. Ring's support team can guide you through the process and arrange for a replacement if needed. To prevent low battery warnings, optimize your Ring camera settings to conserve power. First, reduce motion detection sensitivity. In the Ring app, adjust the slider from maximum to a lower setting. This minimizes false alerts from minor movements like leaves or shadows, conserving battery power. Second, adjust recording length in device settings. Set it to 30 to 60 seconds instead of the maximum 120 seconds. Shorter recordings use less battery while still capturing important events. Third, limit live view usage. While convenient for checking your home, frequent live streaming significantly drains battery. Use it only when necessary to extend battery life. Finally, consider using snapshot capture instead of constant recording. This feature takes periodic still images every 30 seconds to 3 minutes, using much less power than video recording while still providing security coverage. By adjusting these settings in your Ring app, you can significantly extend battery life and prevent persistent low battery warnings. The future looks bright for Ring camera battery solutions. Solar-powered options, like the Ring Spotlight Cam Solar, are becoming increasingly popular, with adoption growing 40% year over year, according to recent data. Ring is also exploring wireless charging technology, with prototypes in beta tests that could allow devices to charge without direct connections. Expect to see more AI-driven diagnostics to predict battery failures before they happen, potentially eliminating persistent warnings by 2027 through machine learning algorithms. Real-world examples show how common the low battery warning issue has been. In 2024, a firmware update bug caused thousands of Ring cameras to display persistent low battery warnings. Users reported this on forums, but Ring quickly released a patch that fixed the problem for 95% of affected devices. This highlights why keeping your device firmware updated is crucial. A homeowner in Seattle faced false low battery warnings on their Ring Stick Up cam, even with new batteries. By cleaning the corroded contacts and updating the firmware, they resolved the issue without needing to replace the device. This case demonstrates that simple maintenance can save both time and money. In a larger enterprise setting, a property with 50 Ring cameras experienced false warnings on 10% of their devices. Bulk firmware updates fixed the issues, improving overall uptime by 25%. This shows how systematic maintenance works even at scale. From these examples, key lessons emerge. Always keep your firmware updated to prevent bugs, clean battery contacts regularly, try resets for quick fixes, and contact Ring support if issues persist, as they might indicate faulty hardware.